Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Kraken effect updated. Start by setting a dark background and single directional light to emphasize silhouette edges, then plan tentacle paths with simple curves. Import textured maps and animate them with soft motion blur, staggering timing for organic feel. Add a subtle green-blue color grade and low opacity noise to unify layers, and render test passes to refine movement and contrast for cinematic impact. For tentacles, build spline rigs that let you draw smooth curves and control twist easily, then bind a flexible mesh to the rig for natural deformation. Use multiple displacement maps at different scales to create skin texture and a wet sheen, blending maps with masks. Animate primary beats first, then add secondary follow-through and overlapping motion to sell weight and momentum, testing cycles until the tentacles feel alive and believable on screen. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so we can keep making useful breakdowns. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I used on set. They save time between long renders and messy snacks. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab them too. Thank you for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Lighting sells the Kraken, so use a low rim light to carve tentacle edges and a cool key to suggest ocean depth. Then add warm bounce fills for contrast. Introduce subtle volumetric fog to create depth layers and scatter light realistically through the scene. In compositing, paint highlights, add glow and caustic patterns where tentacles meet water, and grade the final pass to balance mood, contrast, and readable silhouettes for cinematic clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.